Dr. David Nghiem, CEO of Talented Minds Agency, argues that the most critical piece of hardware for any nation is actually its human capital. In this framework, the engineers and inventors are the true core technology required to achieve national self-reliance. But deploying that brainpower is a massive undertaking. Moving from a high school classroom to a prestigious global university requires navigating a complex, highly competitive maze of requirements and career milestones. This complexity acts as a gatekeeper. Youth in emerging markets, like Vietnam, often possess the academic drive but lack a strategic roadmap to access the world's top-tier research institutions. Without a structured pathway to connect that drive to opportunity, the capital inherent in human potential remains stagnant. Talented Minds Agency, or TMA, was established in Vietnam to provide the missing infrastructure for this transition. The agency links this local talent to major technological and academic hubs in the West, creating a direct line to the world's most advanced innovation centers. While standard counseling often focuses on the admission application, TMA architects an end-to-end developmental pipeline. They manage the entire student lifecycle, from initial interest to professional placement. Supporting a student effectively requires a holistic approach that spans from early high school studies to the cutting edge of global R&D. The process begins at high school and undergraduate levels by identifying a student's unique inherent strengths. TMA's advisors then translate those personal strengths into strategic decisions, matching the student with specific majors and institutions that align with their profile. This early, personalized preparation is calibrated to meet the admission standards of prestigious global universities, such as Columbia. By identifying the right path early on, students avoid wasted academic years and secure a trajectory for a viable, long-term career. For postgraduate students, TMA utilizes a specific masterstroke for master's and PhD candidates, the win-win deal. This solves a two-sided problem. On one side, universities have funded R&D projects, but lack the specialized human talent to execute the research. On the other side, international students possess elite talent, but lack access and funding to reach these positions. TMA bridges this gap. They identify specific research projects, arrange the interviews, and facilitate the selection process for the student. This system places international researchers directly into academic powerhouses, such as the University of Houston. By matching institutional needs with student ambition, tuition hurdles are transformed into fully funded scholarship opportunities. Securing an academic placement is only the first hurdle. For an international student, logistical friction often derails their progress. TMA provides hands-on support to manage these obstacles, specifically assisting with U.S. visa applications and securing safe accommodations for the student. Once the student arrives, the professional support continues through dedicated career coaching and targeted internship placements. Academic brilliance only achieves its goal when a student actually reaches the laboratory and has the stability to focus on their work. The TMA Innovation Program shifts the focus from academic credentials to tangible industry impact. Students realize their own original ideas by navigating patent searches and securing the initial funding needed to turn a theory into a project. TMA manages the final stages of the process, ensuring the intellectual property is protected and the practical solutions are marketed effectively. This hands-on experience takes place in advanced technological fields, such as artificial intelligence and the design of integrated circuits. Success is defined by the ability to take an abstract concept and forge it into protected intellectual property that adds value to the world. These breakthroughs are achieved by working directly alongside TMA's international network of partners and experienced educators. This collaboration fulfills Dr. Nghem's vision of nurturing raw talent into the technology sector's leading eagles. By providing the guidance and logistical backing required for international R&D, TMA transforms a high school student's potential into a professional career that spans the technological border between Vietnam and the West.